people who have to miss it are not like getting behind or anything. So yeah. I know, I'm excited. Oh God. We could. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll let her know as well. So. Okay, we'll do it. And yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely touch base on Tuesday again before, yes. Yeah, you too. It's a relaxing weekend, so. Alright, sounds great. Alright, bye. Oh my God. Sorry, did I sound really